In this video, I'll show you how to recover or unfreeze a frozen balance on Bybit and understand why you can't use some of your funds. First, open the Bybit app and check where the balance is frozen. Go to Assets, then look at Spot, Derivatives, Funding, Earn, and see if part of your balance is marked as in orders, in positions, or locked. If you have open spot orders, futures positions, copy trading, bots, or earn products, part of your balance is reserved and can't be withdrawn. Cancel open orders, close positions, or redeem from Earn if you want those funds free. Next, check for bonuses and vouchers. Promo bonuses, trial funds, and fee credits often can't be withdrawn. They only reduce fees or margin requirements. Even if they show in your balance, they won't move to another wallet or exchange. Now, look for security or compliance holds. If you recently changed password, 2FA, device, or tried a large withdrawal, Bybit's risk system may temporarily lock withdrawals. Check the notification bell, messages, and account and security arrow verification/risk for any alerts, KYC requests, or review notices. If nothing explains it, go to support/help center arrow. Contact us and open a ticket. Tell them which coin, how much is frozen, and attach screenshots from your assets page so they can check the exact hold on your account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.